Let's begin. Drag the aggregate from components and drop it in mapping window. Drag the output end of aggregate and connect it with input end of trg underscore sales table. Attribute matching screen will pop up. By default, ODI tries to match the fields by their names. Click OK. All the target fields are added into the aggregate. You can expand it and compare. It will look exactly same as trg underscore sales table. Let's organize the aggregate entity placement. You can just drag and drop it anywhere in the mapping window. It's time to connect the source tables fields with aggregate fields. First field is cust ID. Drag it from src underscore orders and drop it in aggregate table for cust underscore ID. Likewise, drag product ID and drop it in the aggregate table. That was easy, right? Real fun begins now. Drag the order ID from src orders and drop it on first order ID in aggregate. Remember the requirements? Requirement is to summarize the quantity and amount at customer and product level. In case of order ID, we need to get only the first order ID. To do so, select the first order ID field and open properties window. In the target expression, put minimum sales order dot order ID as is shown here. This is usual SQL command. You know SQL, so you should be familiar with this command. Likewise, match order date and change it to mean order date in target expression. Likewise, last order ID field with match with max src underscore orders dot order underscore ID. And last order date will match with max of order date from order table. You already know this one. This is quantity. Quantity will match with sum of order lines quantity. The requirement is to have the total quantity and amount by customer and product, right? Likewise, amount will match with sum of order lines amount. The last one to match is product average price. This is easy. The product average price will match with average of order lines amount. Very good. All the fields are matched now. Let's review aggregate. Select aggregate and open properties window. Review all the attributes and expression. Expressions are the target expressions which you modified. All look good. Very good. Awesome.